Welcome to the GemVerse AI training video series. In this tutorial, we will show you how to create and use the AI chat engine in GemVerse AI. From the left side menu, click on AI Chat Engine. First, click on AI Chat. You can select an AI provider from the drop-down menu. Choose an AI model. Enter your prompt in the chat box. The AI will generate a response based on your prompt. Next, click on Multi-Chat. You can select multiple AI models. Enter your prompt in the chat box. You can compare responses from different AI models side by side. You can also copy any response you want to use. Next, click on Save Chats. Here, you can view your previously saved conversations. You can close a chat or continue chatting from where you left off. Next, click on Prompt Library. You can browse prompts by category. You can filter prompts by AI model. You can view recommended filters to find the most relevant prompts. Click on any prompt to view its details. You can use the selected prompt directly in AI chat. You can also choose the AI model you want to use with the prompt. Thanks for watching the video.